This is my second dehumidifier. My daughter-in-law got the first one, and we used it quite often. It was taken to the beach. Now, I did have some problems, and they replaced the thing, no problems at all after that. The company, she said, she loved it too. This is mine. I got it because this room doesn't have any circulation. It's a laundry room with a bathroom, shower, and so I got it to keep the moisture down. It works great. Plus it has this night light that comes in really handy. I also take mine on beach trips because it's easy to pack and easy to use. Plus the night light helps with the grandkids. I would recommend getting this dehumidifier.
Good morning, still. I just set this up about an hour and a half ago maybe. And as you can see, there is a lot of water in there already. So, do I say it's worth it? Well, heck yeah. It just sits there so nice and quiet, absorbing the water from the air. Have a great day.
I am reviewing this dehumidifier, and it's one compartment just like this, plugs in. Here is the basically the vessel that captures the moisture out of the air, sets in here, easy setup, lid to dump the water. Great for pulling moisture out of the air, especially if you live in an RV or older home.
This is a dehumidifier I have in my bedroom. My cousin had it in her bathroom, and I was amazed at how the mustiness went away. This has only been plugged in since Tuesday. Today is Sunday.
This is less than 24 hours.